We are learning to say the number before and after. We're going to do this with numbers up to 20. Have a look at these numbers in the middle. We're going to see what numbers come before and what numbers come after. And we're going to use our number line here to help us. Our first number is 2. What comes before 2? What is the number that is 1 less? If I look on my number line, here's 2. The number that comes before 2 is 1. What comes after 2? If I look on my number line, the number after 2 is 3. So I'm going to move that one here. Now let's have a look at the number 5. The number that comes before 5 is 4. And the number that comes after 5, the number that's 1 more, is 6. Now let's have a look at the number 9. If I look at my number line, the number before 9 is 8. And the number after 9 is 10. Now let's look at the number 10. The number before 10 is 9. And the number after 10, the number that's 1 more than, is 11. Now let's look at these teen numbers and work out what comes before and what comes after. 13. Here's 13 on my number line. The number before 13 is 12. That is 1 less than 13. The number after 13 is 14. That is 1 more than 13. 19. Here's 19 on my number line. The number before 19 is 18. That is 1 less than 19. And the number after 19 is 20, because 19 plus 1 equals 20. 15. Here's 15 on my number line. The number before 15 is 14. And the number after 15 is 16. Now let's look at 16. Here it is on the number line. The number before is 15. And the number after is 17. You can use the number line that you have at your table to help you to work out your before and after work this week. Or you could do counting, and you could count up in your head and then work out what comes before and after.